Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in Warpath Ace Shooter. To change your name in Warpath Ace Shooter, launch open the Warpath application on your device and tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Now, tap on the little pencil button right next to your name and then enter a new name for your profile. After you are done, click on OK and confirm your change by tapping OK once again. You will then be able to change your username or your player's name. It'll then charge you an in-game currency for the name change. Every time you try to change your name, you will need to spend some currencies, and that's it. That way you can easily change your username or your name in Warpath Ace Shooter. If the video was helpful to you, like, share and subscribe for more Warpath tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.